Hello everyone! I just wanted to share with you some of my favorite websites I found for this project. I got them all from the Association of for Library Service to Children. They're great websites for kids. I'll go to that link and start from there. Since I did my project on biographies, I went up to the History and Biography tab, and then I selected biographies. And I viewed all of these websites. I liked some of them more than others. Some were very slow on my computer, especially when I was at the library and using the public PCs. But here are some of my favorites. I'm going to start with Ben's Guide to the U.S. Government. The content of this website is perfect for teaching students about history. As the title implies, Ben's Guide to the U.S. Government teaches children about the U.S. government and Benjamin Franklin. The website includes games, puzzles, infographics, photography, and text that relates to basic concepts of government. There is enough information on here to make visiting it worthwhile. I'm going to go up to games. These topics, as you can see, are broken down by 4 to 8, 9 to 13, and 14 and up. These categories really help the user access material that is interesting and understandable to them. These games have clear instructions, and playing the interface is very clear. And even though the games are simple, it's just very, the tactile nature of it, I think, will help kids who are more kinetic learners. So that's that website. I also really liked this website too because of its interactive nature. It's about Leonardo da Vinci, and it covers him as an artist and a scientist and an inventor. For example, I'm on the page right now talking about the Golden Rule, and it shows how that works using the example of the Mona Lisa. Like if you hit head, it will draw the golden ratio on it. So that, even as an adult, that helped me understand this concept better because I'm more of a visual learner. And the last website I absolutely loved is the Martin Luther King Jr. website. Really interesting biographies, packed full of pictures. I've been loving my children's resources that include timelines, and this website has one. We see here that we have audio recordings, so your students or patrons can hear the recordings of Martin Luther King Jr. deliver his speeches orally, and this can be quite powerful in addition to reading his speech, to hear how the speech was delivered. But this is the timeline I'm talking about. I love that it's broken down by key moments in MLK's life, and it goes along with key moments in the civil rights movement too, so you have an understanding of his life in the context of the time. These are my favorite 3 websites, and I just wanted to share them with you all. Thank you so much.